So in the last video, we have made this office scene, and today we have to make one hacker scene as per the script, and this is what I got as in reference. I'm not going to use this accurately, but yeah, something to start off. And this is going to be our character. Okay, so what you have to do is simply download this character. After downloading, just go to this AI, Rodin AI, this Hyper 3D AI, Rodin AI, same thing. Simply drag and drop here on text input, okay, and then click on generate. It will take some time, but eventually it will generate something. Let's imagine how a room of hacker would look like. The scene is set up in 2016, so there are going to be some LCD screens. So let's just kit bash this scene. So first of all, what we have to find is a computer desk. I'm using this plugin, Blender Kit. It is a very handy plugin. You can just download 3D model directly to Blender. Okay, we got a CPU also. Okay, this is going to look good. I think this there was some L shade desk too. Yeah, this will look better because we can set up multiple screens out there with some crime scene, so something like that. Now we need two LCD monitors. RZ 180 degree. Let's scale it down, something like this. GYX. And RZ. Yeah, something like this. Select this whole hierarchy and shift D, GX, then GY, RZ, RZ. Yeah. GY. I think both the monitor should be on one side, and we can put our CPU here and other equipments that he might use. RZ, Y, and GX, Y. Yeah. RZ. Okay, so what we can do is add one surveillance footage running in this side, and one I think coding, green color codes running on in SQL format in this one. So let's add one CPU. We had one CPU here. Yeah, this is going to be here. Very nice. RZ 180. So, yeah. Let's GX. Okay. So one CPU is there. Let's add a chair. Yeah, looking decent. Now we have to work with our factor. So, so we got a character. If you press redo again, it will reanalyze the polygons and make it little bit more detailed. I think previous was better, but let's see. Let's confirm. Okay, now let's add a keyboard. Think white color keyboard would look better. Yeah, this one. So we got a wire too, and okay, now let's generate this. We are generating uh, textures of this model. Okay. So our model is ready. Now download this in OBJ. Now we will use another AI that is going to be Mixamo. You have to upload the downloaded 3D model that we have created in Rodin AI. Now press next. Select chin, wrist, elbows, knees, and groin. Then press next. Search for a computer. So this is going to use uh, arm space. Simply download this in FBX format. Yeah, it only supports FBX. So download this and simply just drag and drop here. Okay. So it is sitting on a chair perfectly. Now add texture. Go to shading plus select this image texture, drag and drop here. We got this. So as this guy is hacking for like a whole day, so he needs coffee. So let's add some coffee mug. Okay, so we got our coffee mug. I think we need to scale it a little bit. Scale. Yeah, this is enough. Let's rotate this. You need to add a mouse. Okay, we will change the color. Now let's add a lamp here. So we have added most of the things. Let's add some scrap or speaker here. I think paper would be better. I think I'm overdoing it because most of the things are not going to be visible. So let's stick to one plan and add a camera. Let's go to layout, drag this left to create one another workspace. Press this camera icon, go to this viewport display and increase it to maximum. This pass, what will pass part out. Okay, whatever this is, let's max it up. Max it up. And GZ, GY, sorry, GX. Press R, Y, GZ, GY, plus RZ, GX, Z. Okay, we can take a top-down shot too. Okay, let's GZ, GY, okay, or you can simply R, Y, okay, press N, go to this item and control it from here. 0. Nice. EZ connects. What we got? Yeah, something like this. And let's do one thing. For focal length, I need some distortion. So I think 24 mm will look nice. G Y, sorry, GX, VZ, and GY. BZ, R. Yeah, something like this. Nice. Now let's add balls. So we don't have any ball. So we have to create. Press Shift A, mesh. You can add a cube. Let's add a cube and do one thing is press G, Z in places just above our 3D cursor. Here. Then press this button and go to here 3D cursor. Now if you scale, it is going to scale from that 3D cursor point. Okay, you can see as now let's turn this to solid view and turn on this transparency. Simple SZ and yeah, press S. Okay, something like this. Okay, press G, Y, GX, okay. So and let's scale it down a little more. Our room is done. Now what we can do, I don't want any ceiling light. Just a simple light would be good. Press Z, rendered. Go to this from EV to cycles. GPU compute. So this is working. Let's add a light. Shift A. Light. Point light. GZ. GX. GY. VZ. Okay. And if it's 15 mm and depth of field, select this object, decrease 1.8. You can watch this in material view. See nerd. Yeah, this looks fine. Yes, G Y. Nice. Go to render and decrease this maximum samples to 200. I think, yeah, 200, and increase this noise threshold to 0.05 and go to press simplify, go to performance and select this persistent data. Let's see how our scene turned out. So what is happening, because we have very less light, these grains are coming, so we need to increase light is to 5. maybe 10 is good. You need this to be little more orangish. Okay, let's render it again. Yeah, now it's looking good, better than before. Okay, let's tweak something else too. Here, in noise threshold, let's keep it 0.01 and increase the samples to somewhere around 300. And yeah, this will give us. So here we go. We got everything. We can do one more thing is delete the slide or disable this. Let's add one more light or lamp here. So we got everything. बस निकल कहाँ हो गया? वो तो मुश्किल है. मैं तो इधर हूँ ना. तू पैदल पैदल आ थोड़ा सा. मैं आता हूँ वहाँ तक. आ जाना रोड तक. आशु स्वीट्स. मैं इधर पाल बिचला.